Hello, and welcome to another update video on Netflix. So we take a look at the Elliott Wave structure here on the Netflix chart. We are in an uptrend, in an aggressive uptrend, and have been in this uptrend for quite some time. The move to the upside here from the May 2022 from the May 2022 low can be interpreted in various ways. I've got two wave structures here. In the white scenario, the entire move to the upside might have already topped this year, and we could already have started a large correction, a wave 2 correction. However, I really don't have any evidence for it. I just want to point it out because it is technically speaking a completed 5-wave move up. I can interpret it like that, but until we break any support levels, really, the yellow scenario is preferred, which is, as you can probably see here, a more aggressive 1-2-1-2-1-2 setup, which could still take the price significantly higher. And the advantage of this is it gives us support areas along the way that we can monitor. And the yellow scenario is currently preferred. It seems to align more with what we would generally expect from the Elliott Wave structure. So the yellow scenario, let's say, seems more probable. Now, what happens in the yellow scenario? In the yellow scenario, the price formed recently a top here in a third wave in June this year. That was around $1,340. We saw an initial decline in wave A, a rally in wave B, and now probably here, this is what could come next, a C wave down. Now, if this is indeed a C wave to the downside, then this is part of a wave 4 correction, which should result in another rally once this correction is over. And these wave 4 corrections, they can sometimes be very complex, difficult, and so on. For now, however, it seems like we have a wave 1 to the downside in the C wave. C waves are always 5-wave movements. The wave 2 bounce could be unfolding now, might nearly be completed. We're in resistance. And as long as we stay now below the resistance level at $1,247, the pressure appears to be downward. We could be moving down in this C wave. That could take us towards $1,079 to $977. If we break above $1,247, I will have to assume that we're extending wave 3 to the upside. Circle wave 3, in that case, would extend. So that means the level here around $1,247, $1,248 is key. Very important. Any break above it means that we have to relabel this a little bit. It would probably just mean that this wave 4, that presumably bottomed in June, actually bottomed in August. The wave 5 is still unfolding, and that would complete circle wave 3 after one more high. And because the price reacted here to the 78.6 extension level in June, we would pay attention to the next one, which is the 88.7 Fibonacci extension. Let's put that one onto the chart. This would be the next upside level to watch in that case. And that's at $1,391 to $1,488. Bottom line is, pullbacks can still be opportunities on the Netflix chart. At the moment, it's not quite clear if we get one more extension in circle wave 3. Preferred interpretation is that we have topped in circle wave 3, but that is exactly now the decision area where we will get that, that answer. That's the update on Netflix. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates on Netflix, but also other stocks like PayPal, Nvidia, for example, Tesla, but also indices like the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq, make sure you check out our stocks membership. You can find the link in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.